Mother's Day Smart Home Bundle for Alexa Homes. While not Alexa-enabled, this elegant heated mug keeps coffee or tea warm. Made from fine bone china with a wireless charging base, it's a thoughtful luxury gift. Keep an eye on home security with live video, alerts, and Alexa integration. Mom can view the camera feed directly on the Echo Show. Maintain the perfect temperature while saving energy. The ecobee Premium even includes built-in Alexa, offering an extra layer of voice control. This powerful robot vacuum automates cleaning with advanced navigation, strong suction, and mopping capabilities, keeping floors consistently spotless and maintenance-free. It starts cleanups hands-free with Alexa commands. Philips Hue offers customizable lighting scenes, automation, and voice control via Hue Bridge, integrating with Amazon Alexa for routines like relax mode or good night. The Echo Show 8 serves as the command center of this bundle. With its touchscreen interface, Alexa voice control, and smart home dashboard, Mom can manage devices, check security cameras, follow recipes, or make video calls, all from one place.
Go to GearBrain for more information.